Reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid has debuted the track titled Greatness. Now the song's release comes courtesy of the independently owned label Original Ting and has been streaming on major platforms. The track has been getting rave reviews since being released and made its debut at number 4 on the global iTunes Reggae charts. Greatness is also the first single to be released from Kabaka Pyramid's solo project, Everything is Energy. The project is slated for release next year. American rapper Travis Scott is still feeling the negative effects of his Astroworld festival. It's being reported that French fashion company Dior has postponed the release of the Cactus Jack collection, which was a collaborative effort between Dior and Travis Scott. This is the latest fallout after the tragedy that took place at the rapper's Astroworld festival. Now, in a statement, the company said, out of respect for everyone affected by the tragedy, Dior has decided to postpone indefinitely the launch of products from the Cactus Jack collaboration, originally intended to be included in its summer 2022 collection. The festival took place on November 5 and left 10 persons dead and more than 300 injured. As a result of the tragedy, Travis is facing multiple lawsuits from the victims' families, many of whom have turned down his offer to cover funeral costs. Travis was also recently removed from the Coachella Festival lineup after a petition was launched asking for him to be removed from all Golden Voice performances. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.